This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookie dough. First, gather your dry ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Combine these in a medium bowl and whisk them together until they are well mixed. This ensures even distribution of leavening agents and seasoning throughout your dough, which is crucial for perfect cookies. Next, let's prepare the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened unsalted butter with 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, add 3/4 cup of packed light brown sugar. Beat this mixture with an electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. This step incorporates air, making your cookies tender. Now, let's bring it all together. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract for that classic cookie aroma. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cookies. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. Fold in about 12 ounces of chocolate chips or any other mix-ins you love, like nuts or sprinkles. For optimal texture and flavor, chill your cookie dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading. Then, scoop on a baking sheets and bake as directed by your specific cookie recipe. Enjoy your delicious homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.